Welcome to my channel. Myself, Wale sir, working in Jawahar Secondary and Higher Secondary School, Kesapuri Camp, Majalgaon. Today, I am going to discuss you about 10th standard 1.3 Basketful of Moonlight, which is very important, written by Sunil Sharma. So, first of all, friends, I read it back to me, you say. Tell each and every word after complete our reading. I will discuss in briefly about the poem. Let's start to the reading. O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two basketful with seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of the path, I want to saw many small moons of light. Next, small of moonlight, the whole village go to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back. As my village is quite far, the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father return home, I am asleep. And he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Let's start to discuss in briefly to the poem. The speaker of this poem, who was want to discuss you about his childhood. A small child requests the moon to give him moonlight with seeds of moonlight. Okay, small child request to God, give me a moonlight. What type of the moonlight? The moonlight from the moon, which give him basketful or two basketful with the seeds. So after that, the child wants to sow the seeds. Means why did he want moonlight? The child want moonlight to sow the seeds. Where? From the sides of the path. That seeds he wants to use to grow big trees beside the path that support him to give clearly atmosphere to see the clearly atmosphere in the night time that leads to his village. Means here is description about the village. He wants to uh, plant the moonlight from the both sides, from city to village. He wants that lead to his village from the city. He wants to saw many smalls of moonlight all along the path. According to the child, here describes the whole village. The whole village means entire working population who are available in the village. Gives to the city to village to city, from village to city many workers goes, and it quite the dark route means road become very dark at the night time. So he his villagers do not come back return early. So he want to come them back in the village. That's why he wants to saw many small smalls of moonlight. Now there are some difficulties on the road. On the road there are many difficulties. Scorpions, then snakes appear. That's why his father could not come back return early. Still the villagers have to tread the same path, as there is no cart or no buses travel come back. Means the speaker wants here something which is very important to come back to the villagers. Here in this case of the child, the speaker of this poem, he is always asleep when his father return back at the home from the work. Then again the father leaves early for work in the morning. Then he could not meet to the father while the child is still asleep. That's why he could not see to the father. So the child repeats his request for a basketful of moonlight on loan. The in the next stanza, the child wants to light the dark route. Why did the child wants to light to the dark route? Why? Because the villagers or his father come back early, return early in the evening. So he is a child. He too wants to hear fairy tales from the father, many stories from the father. Then in the last stanza, in conclusion, we can say that the child again earnestly requests to the moon to give a basketful or moonlight, so that she can saw the many seeds on the sides of the path on the in the village from city to from village to city, he wants to saw the moonlight. Here is the child or the speaker request to the god to give a moonlight on a loan. And here in this, friends, here is the poem on page number 18, which is very important to take or detect the meaning of the each and every line. O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two basketful with seeds of moonlight. In the first stanza, the poet requests to the moon, give me a moonlight. And in the second stanza, from the city to village, on the sides of the path, I want to saw many small moons of light. The whole villagers go to the city daily to work. Actually, here in the second stanza, the poet wants to saw the many small moonlight besides the path. Why? Because the villagers or the father goes to the city for work daily. It becomes, in next stanza, it becomes dark on its way back. As my village is quite far, the route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies, plies, plies means travel. When my father return home, I am asleep. The poet means here the speaker request to the god to light the dark route where are the some difficulties like as a scorpios, then snakes. So in the dark route, the my father and villagers who are going to working in the city, they could not see properly. That's why he wants to saw many moons of light besides the path to light or see them the clear atmosphere. In the next stanza, and he goes back early in the morning while I am as sleeping. Here the speaker wants to talk you about the relationship between child and father. Then, O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight on loan. Means speaker wants the moonlight on a loan. I wants to light the dark route. Why did he want to take moonlight? He want to take moonlight to light to the dark route. So that's my father come back means return back early, or the villagers with the villagers, they will come back. I too wants to hear fairy tales, and the speaker wants to hear the fairy tales or the stories from his father. O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight. I want to sow seeds. Means here speaker wants the moonlight seed to plant it besides the path to support them who are going in the city from to village, to light them see clearly the route which are very tough here. So guys, I think that you understand better to the poem here. And now here are some rhyming words which are given here. Then after complete our discussion, we need to complete the appreciation of the poem. And it is for 5 marks asked sometimes in the exam. So prepare very well to the poem, practice more, and solve all activities which are available in the poem. So we will stop here. After that, we will discuss the next lesson 1.4. But here the poem is over, and you will prepare very well after practicing more and more. Read this poem again and again, and uh, write the questions, and write down their answers. Practice it. Okay, thank you so much.